Holy shit, good morning people. It is early, 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm going to do a little quick unboxing video for you just for fun. This is going to be completely off the hip, no editing. Cool. Maybe not as cool as I thought. I am coming off of a weekend of horrible sickness. I had food poisoning for 2 days, and I feel a shit ton better. So this, folks, is from the people over at Alexandria. This is not a sponsored video. I did buy all of this stuff myself because nobody likes me enough yet to sponsor me. No. Anyway, so I got 4 travel fragrances from Alexandria. They come in these little tubes here. This is the first time I've ever got anything from these guys. So there we go. See if we can make the lighting a little bit better. So they come in these handy dandy little tubes. All right. This one is Africano. I believe this is a inspired expression of Bal d'Afrique by, let's see if I can get some more light in here. A little bit better. By Rado. There's another one here. Hafez Intense. Now this is an original, a 100% original of theirs. I am not going to probably toss out any notes on any of these, just because I want to get this done quick, and also because I'll do maybe some reviews on these ones later because I'm interested in this company. They're a whole lot cheaper than niche fragrances, and a lot of the inspired expressions smell quite a bit like them. So this is Sweet Smoke, an inspired expression from Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. Just smelling off the top, it kind of smells pretty damn good, couldn't be honest with you. So this little setup piece here, I don't remember how much these were off the top of my head, but I will have those posted in the review notes and whatnot. So this is Unforgettable, which is an inspired expression of Tom Ford's Black Orchid. So I got a couple of Tom Fords in here, I don't know if you noticed that or not. Which actually leads me to the big uns. So the big uns, I went ahead and pulled the trigger and acted brashly and got 2 30ml bottles. So this is pretty cool, right? Little silk. Okay, it's not silk. It's felt pouch, but handy dandy traveling, or if you want to put coins, or small fairies in there. Fairies fit in those. Here we go. So this one is Agar, which is the inspired expression of Tom Ford's Oud Wood. Now, like I was saying, I got 2 of the 30ml. The 30ml were $42. The 60ml will set you back $64, right around that range. And that's pretty not bad considering the actual costs of the originals. This one here, then, by process of elimination, remembering a little bit of what I ordered, this will be the inspired expression of Black Afghano from Nazumato. And this one is Anubis Kiss. So there you go. I got all these for really good price. The whole setup was awesome, and as you can see, I got 6 different fragrances. Alexandria is a really good house to check out if you don't want to spend a lot of money on originals and you are okay with inspired expressions as opposed to the original. This will give you a better price point, and from my understanding, these are all very close, and they also have really good longevity and projection, but I will do some reviews on these in the future. So thanks for coming by this morning and checking out this really quick unboxing of Alexandria fragrances. I hear good things about them, and I'm very excited to try them out. So have a good morning, keep calm, stink pretty.